Hey guys, we're back again. I started putting just some of the wiring harness stuff on. I bolted the ECM on, kind of zip tied some of the stuff where it's kind of supposed to go. I'm not going to hook everything up directly yet, just kind of plug and play everything that's easy right now. Start to put some of this stuff on, the coil and the voltage regulator. I put the bracket on here for the ECM. That was off of a 440, but it holds the oil tank. I'll show you. It holds the oil tank right here, so that way it can go down to the engine, and then also has the pull start bracket on it. Because if you just deleted the oil tank, you wouldn't have any of this on it. So we needed that. So I put one of the coolant hoses on. I got a hose clamp that, and I put that down there. Really just kind of just plugging away at it and just seeing what we can make out. But we'll continue to do this, and I'll start putting the coil on and the voltage regulator on and the more of the coolant hoses, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so as you saw, I put the voltage regulator in there with that mount. I also got the hose clamps all hooked up there. Those are routed down there to here, and the one goes over there to the engine. I kind of just wrapped up the wiring harness a little bit. I zip tied here. Then I put the gas tank in, and I put the, I don't even know what you'd call them, the pyramidal supports in, I guess. So yeah, that's all buttoned up. I'm gonna put the seat on. I'm gonna put the tail pan on, so that way the back end is all done. Not having to worry about anything. Then after that, I'm gonna put the chain case cover back on, and we'll figure out what else to do. Hey guys, so as you saw, we put the gas tank in, the seat, the tail pan on. We put the rest of the wiring harness together. We ended up plumbing it a little bit more. We put the ECM bracket in, slash oil bottle bracket finished putting the chain case cover on. So the next thing that I was gonna end up doing is putting the engine in, but I don't have my stuff ready yet. So that's why I might not post next Sunday. So this really comes down to getting the engine in there, wrapping up some of the electrical, putting my plastics up on top there, new handlebar risers, I got new handlebars, twin pipes, those are gonna be coming too. But I don't want to put any of that stuff in until the engine's in. That way I know where everything's going, and so that way everything lines up good, and it'll be just tucked and tidied away the right way without having just to put everything where I think it's supposed to go. But yeah, no, so that's the next thing. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Turning on your post notifications for the next video.